You have done a very good job.
Sir.
You have done a very good job. Then nothing survives in this. Gives a word of appreciation to Mr. So-and-so, the Assistant Superintendent of Police. Yes. You have succeeded.
Sir. Sir, according to the last hearing, sir, we were supposed to take certain actions.
Yes. So that's why I said you have succeeded in your attempt. Very good. Kamila, how did you find him?
Sir, we formed an SIT, sir, firstly, and the SHO was made the IO of the case because there were certain issues with the IO.
Yes.
After that, we took out the DVR from where the boy was lost, but that data couldn't be recovered because it was corrupted. Sir, then we took out the CDR of the boy. He had put in a different SIM. The team was dispatched to Bharij, UP. From there, the phone was recovered from a laborer. When he was interrogated, it was found that the laborer had procured this phone from a boy who was of the same appearance in Shadra, Delhi. Then the team was sent to Delhi, sir. There the team camped for 2 to 3 days. With the help of the local police, we recovered the boy from Shadra, Delhi. The team is returning back. We recovered the boy on 16th of July.
So recovered means whether he had himself gone there or
He had himself gone there, sir. But we have not been able to present the boy before the court because they are still in transit. The vehicle had broken down in UP. He will be presented before the court, and
it was not a case of abduction.
It was not a case of abduction, sir. Also, sir, when we perused his registers, his files, his books, we found out that he had maintained certain social media accounts. On one of them, he had opened a YouTube channel wherein he had explicitly written that I am not happy with the father, who is the complainant here, as he is not cooperating with him in providing him good education. Hence, he was appealing to the people in giving him crowdfunding. He had also given a Paytm account wherein people were supposed to give him money. That's why, sir, he had left on his own volition. Also, he had written a note wherein he had mentioned that I'm leaving you because you're not able to provide me good education, which was
it was in his own
in his own handwriting. Prima facie, we recovered the registers. His handwriting was the same. Prima facie were written also to the FSL, sir.
You have done a very good job.
Sir.
You have done a very good job. Then nothing survives in this.
वो आ रहे हैं लड़के लोग
ला रहे हैं क्या आपका तो
He was also taken to Delhi, your lordships. He was also taken.
ट्रेन में है
He is with
इसलिए
the
पासपोर्ट
let him come.
इन पर्सन उनका है केस इसीलिए कुमार
This
विश्वकर्मा
has already become infructuous.
उस कहानी के बाद ही उसको कर दिया
This has already become infructuous. Why to keep it? लिखिए Mr. Abhinav Dhiman, the Assistant Superintendent of Police, Danapur, Patna, is present with Mr. Nadeem Siraz, Planet GP5. Full stop. He has informed that pursuant to the last order dated 11/7/2022 passed by this court, he had taken up the investigation by forming a special investigation team. Full stop. In course of investigation on the basis of certain materials were collected which indicated that the boy may be found at Shadra, New Delhi. Full stop. He has informed this court that the SIT has recovered the boy and he is being brought to Patna. Full stop. His father is also accompanying him. Full stop. The aforesaid view of the matter, this court finds that this application has become infructuous. Full stop. The application is thus dismissed as having become infructuous Full stop. This court gives a word of appreciation to Mr. So-and-so, the Assistant Superintendent of Police. Application stands disposed of accordingly.